Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a quick episode. We're going to swing in right here to Koban. This is the ramen shop that I stop every time I get to Osaka. They've got a really good spicy ramen. Some of their dumplings are quite amazing, but the staff is what makes it. They also have cold Sapporo, so how can you go wrong with cold Sapporo? What you'll do is come up here to the kiosk. Chinese, Korean, and English. Press your button, whatever you need. Ding, 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 ding. Order. And there's the master himself. Unlimited water. Here's your sardine vinegar, your spice, your toothpicks, your peppers, and your soy. Okay. So what they've got going on here is a 4-pot system. Freshly made ramen every day, fresh noodles. All the spices, fresh cut pork, beef, precisely weighed and measured. And this is what it looks like when somebody comes in to your shop. Pretty cool. Look at these massive pots. What's that? Soup? Oh, ramen soup. Holy cow, what is that, like a 10-gallon bin? That's got to be a 10-gallon bin right there. And then what's that back there? What is that? Water? More soup. Pork soup. Same soup? Well, you've got a couple different kinds of soup going on back there. And when you get in, you can kind of hang your coat up at the coat rack. Very comfortable, beautiful little area, and this is where I'm sitting now. There's the man, the myth, the legend right there. Oh, yes, please. These are my dumplings. I grab these dumplings every time I come here. And a Sapporo. It's usually like my halfway to home stop. You know, you're traveling all day, running around Dotonbori, you're running around Shinsabashi, you got your shopping and you're eating, and it's like, oh, it's so far to walk home. You got like an extra mile left. And something that really just keeps me going is an ice cold Sapporo. Some of these Chinese dumplings, so it's in a nice little vinegar sauce. It's like a spicy vinegar, but they're cooked perfectly. It's still a nice firm noodle. It's not mushy and gooey. It's a firm noodle, and inside, let me tell you, it explodes with flavor. As soon as you squish that dumpling, there comes the pork and the grease and the green onions and the chilies and the vinegar. Oh. Well, it's going to be a short episode. We just want to do a quick review here for the Koban ramen shop. They do an amazing ramen. I'm not having ramen today, but they do a spicy and a... Did you do tonkatsu or no? Tonkatsu broth? Ramen de tonkatsu?
Tonkatsu and fish soup.
So tonkatsu and fish soup. It's a double. If you're in Osaka, come on down to Shinsabashi, and it's at the very top. I can show you the link, but wow, great place to visit.